Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that promises professional-grade features without being overly complicated. This is a 4K professional GPS drone that boasts some impressive capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of users, from those just starting out to more experienced pilots looking for a reliable aerial platform. Right off the bat, the headline feature is its camera system. It's equipped with a high-quality camera capable of capturing stunning 4K resolution footage. This means your aerial photos and videos should look sharp and detailed, perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes or dynamic action shots. The camera also captures still images and effective resolution of 12 megapixels, providing good quality for photography purposes. While the specifications mention 1080p video capture resolution, this often refers to the live feed quality, with the actual recording saved to the SD card being the full 4K resolution. The drone features a 3-axis gimbal, which is crucial for smooth, stable video, even when the drone is moving or encountering wind. This professional touch ensures your footage looks cinematic and free from shaky movements. One of the most striking features is the claimed 16-kilometer HD video transmission range. This is a significant distance and allows pilots to explore vast areas and capture footage from far away while maintaining a clear view of what the camera sees. Coupled with a reliable GPS positioning system, flying this drone over long distances becomes much safer and more manageable, as the drone can accurately hold its position and return home if needed. Powering these flights are two included batteries, one with a 3,200 mAh capacity and another larger 5,000 mAh battery. Having two batteries right in the box is a huge plus, significantly extending the total flight time you get during an outing. This extended usability is great for longer shooting sessions or exploring more distant locations without the constant worry of the battery running out too quickly. The design is built for prolonged use, suggesting durability and efficiency. For ease of use, the drone is described as beginner-friendly and app-controlled. This means getting it set up and flying should be straightforward, with intuitive controls available through a smartphone app. This accessibility makes it a great option for someone buying their first serious drone. Beyond basic flight, it includes intelligent features like ATVD 3.5 visual active tracking. This allows the drone to automatically follow a designated subject, which is fantastic for capturing dynamic footage of moving people, vehicles, or animals. The 3x zoom capability adds further versatility, letting you get closer shots without having to fly the drone physically nearer to the subject. Overall, this 4K professional GPS drone presents itself as a versatile tool for aerial photography, videography, and exploration. With its high-resolution camera, impressive transmission range, long battery life from the included dual batteries, and intelligent features like active tracking, it seems to offer a compelling package for both newcomers and those looking to upgrade to a more capable drone without breaking the bank. Its user-friendly nature combined with professional features makes it a strong contender in its category.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.